20-something years ago, those cold nights in December.
Hi everyone and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. Today I am going to be deep cleaning our master bathroom. Over the last month it has become just terrible. We need to catch up and just deep clean this whole area. If you need some motivation to get your bathroom cleaned up, then just keep watching. Let's get into it. Surprisingly, this toilet area was actually pretty clean. I just need to replace the toilet paper, vacuum, and mop it. I'm gonna kind of give you a rundown of how this video is gonna go. I start with the bathtub shower area, then I move on to the vanity and sink and mirrors, and I actually do some cleaning of the baseboards, vacuum, and mop.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting.
You see me using my method in the sea salt and lime, which is my absolute favorite one. I will be using a few other cleaners and I will go over them once I bring them up. For my windows and mirrors, I'm going to be using the Method glass cleaner. This works pretty good. I usually switch between this or just the Dollar Tree vinegar spray. So for my tub and all the tiles, I'm going to be using this Grove Collaborative tub and tile concentrate. And it came with this really nice glass bottle. I've had it for a while and I've been really looking forward to using it and trying it out.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go.
I'm going to be doing minimal voiceover, but I did want to mention, looking back at this, it does look pretty clean, but in reality there was a lot of dust and like random soap scum, so it is not a clean bathtub, I promise.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we
Now I'm just gonna throw these towels in the washer and start on the shower. Same thing like the bathtub, the shower had a lot of soap and stuff going on, so I am vigorously scrubbing. I promise you it was actually dirty. So this part of my shower, I keep this Dollar Tree bin here to place all of our products, and it really needed some TLC. So I'm going to be taking everything out, wiping everything down, and wiping the bin itself. And it just was way overdue.
I would like to go there at the back of the house where a high school teacher caught us when making out. You and me, perfect strangers, but really not at the same time. Nothing can come between us. You and me, we're staying alive, alive, forever alive. So hear me out, telling you now we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out.
whole area is clean, I just put everything back, and those other extra bottles I'm going to be putting away under the sink. Now on to our shower doors. Yes, there is a ton of hard water stains on here. I still need to get a little bit stronger of a cleaner, I think, but it still needed to be wiped down really well.
Climbing up and you know it. You and me, we're staying alive. Alive, forever alive. So hear me out. I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. 'Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out. Top down.
So once my shower is all clean, I'm on to our sink and vanity area. This area is a disaster. I had just filmed a makeup video, so everything is on the counter. The sinks are filled with toothpaste and whatever. I don't even know what's in here. But I'm going to be using the same tile scrubber and then also the Daily Granite by Method.
Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. 'Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out. Top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. 'Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out. Top down. Top down. Top down. Top down. Top down. Top down.
I wanna hold your body close to me. I wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. Yeah, maybe we can dance the night away. You got me feeling like a hurricane. 'Cause nothing's stopping me. You're all that's on my mind. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I burst into flames. I don't know what it is you do to me. No way, just dancing in this burning room. I really hope this moment never ends. Can we pretend that time is frozen? 'Cause you stole my heart and you know what I want is you. Where's you? I wanna say that all I want is you now. Maybe we can dance the night away. That's what I wanna do now. I want you to stay right here with me. Stay with me. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me,
Now onto the mirrors. I'm using the Method glass cleaner and I am cleaning from top to bottom, including all the lights and everything.
just dancing in this burning room. There's something in the way you look at me that tells me you are all I'll ever need. I don't know what it is you do to me. No way, just dancing in this burning room. Burning, 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 burning.
Now, something that is often neglected, I'm just going to be dusting and wiping down our closet door, and then taking a magic eraser and cleaning the baseboards.
Think I've got fire burning through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I burst into flames. I don't know what it is you do to me. Now we're just dancing in this burning room. There's something in the way you look and move that tells me you are all I'm ever needing. I don't know what it is you do to me. Now we're just dancing in this burning room.
Let me know in the comments, how often do you clean your baseboards? I definitely do not clean them as much as I should. It is a chore to get down on the floor and scrub and scrub and scrub, so they are neglected a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm curious to know how often you guys clean yours.
Reaction, oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all.
Now onto the floors, I'm just going to be taking up all our bath mats and putting them to the side, and also the trash can and a scale so I can really mop and vacuum in here.
I'm flying, my skin's on fire.
If you want to see closely what I use in today's video, I will leave a link in the description, so if you want to check that out, feel free to do so.
Adding to our chemistry, heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you.
I decided to try this Bona floor cleaner. I've been using soap and water, I've used Method, and still I have an issue with my floor being really sticky. So I do have just a regular Lidman mop, which I really like because I can just wash it after each time. But as far as the cleaners go, I am trying this, and it seemed like it worked pretty well. There was no scent to it, and it looked like it got a lot of the dirt and everything up.
Tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall in flames, are getting closer. My skin's on fire.
Now I'm just going to show you how I do my vacuum lines on our bath mats.
My skin's on
Alright, here is a after of everything. The toilet again was pretty clean. I just had to put some toilet paper in there, mop and vacuum. Our bathtub, shower, and most importantly, the sink and vanity area, which was just so bad.
You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you.
Alright, so that is it for my deep clean of this bathroom. I'm still waiting for the towels and everything to dry. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss out on any videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.